Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate an app in Base44 in just a few clicks. This is a super useful feature if you want to reuse an existing app as a starting point, test new ideas without affecting the original, or create a backup version before making bigger changes. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your main apps page inside your Base44 workspace. This is the page where all of your apps are listed and is the easiest place to manage, organize, and duplicate your projects. Once you're there, look for the app you want to copy. Every app should appear as a card in your app list, so take a moment to find the exact one you want to duplicate. After you've located it, click the More Actions icon on that app card. This is usually shown as 3 dots, and it opens a drop-down menu with additional options for that app. When the menu appears, select Clone App. Base44 will immediately create a duplicate of your app and make a new copy for you. You don't need to manually rebuild anything, which makes this much faster than starting from scratch. As soon as the clone is created, you'll see the new app appear in your list right away. It will usually be marked with copy in the title, so you can quickly tell which one is the duplicated version. From here, you can open the copy, edit it, rename it, and customize it however you want without changing the original app. That's the main advantage of cloning in Base44. It gives you a clean duplicate that you can use as a working version, a backup, or a template for future projects. So, just to recap, go to your apps page, click the 3 dots on the app card, choose Clone App, and your new copy will appear instantly in the app list. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Base44 guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.